My name is Marikit and welcome to my new segment, Talakast. Talakast came from talakayan, which is sa Tagalog ang meaning niya ay pag-uusap or sa English ay conversation. And of course, podcast wherein it's a space where we can talk about life, stories, and everything in between. Ngayon, ang topic natin ay 40-ish, OFW, and childless. It's a topic na malapit sa puso ko kasi isa ako sa mga 40-ish. We're going to dive deep into what it's really like to be in a space in life. So, ready na ba kayo? Let's talk. Let's start with this. Being in your 40s and working overseas is already a unique journey, di ba? But being childless, that adds another layer of complexity. Emotionally, socially, and even